Want to study abroad in 2026? The process can feel confusing, but you don't have to do it alone. Eduadvise International has helped various students achieve their study abroad dream. We're here to help with expert university counseling, complete application assistance, IELTS/TOEFL exam preparation, full visa processing and documentation support, merit-based scholarship guidance. Ready to start your study abroad journey? Connect with Eduadvise today.
Hi, I'm Alia Augustine and I'm going to start my Masters in Cell Biology at the University of Manchester this September. I found out about Eduadvise through the pop-up that they did at my college, which is Carmel College. And they had a little stall with games and prizes to win, so I did one of those. And then afterwards, I came for a counseling session with Mrs. Gayatri over here.
Hi, my name is Mariska De Silva and I've chosen the University of Greenwich for the course MBA in Marketing with Placement. So the first time I learned about Eduadvise was when they came to our college to deliver a session on study abroad. So the talk was really fascinating and I thought of pursuing my dream of studying abroad after the session, and they also made it sound so simple and so doable. I would definitely recommend Eduadvise to anyone wanting to study abroad.